Good day guys. On this video today guys, we're gonna post around we have three sessions on the things that we're gonna explain today. So as you can see, today gold gave us a very beautiful sell, but according to our analysis and the way we trade, we had a buy. So according to the time that we always enter the buys, the market didn't respect that, guys. So our buys were confirmed here, but we didn't have the lower low to confirm clearly on our buys. So we didn't today. We actually didn't have a proper trade. So if you forced to enter the buy thinking that the market will give you continuation, as you can see, maybe you were gonna enter here. It was gonna give you this here, then you buy, then you have some profits there, but you can't hold long. Your sell stop was gonna be hit. So yeah, the only good trade for today was this one here. You around this time, then you had to buy at least close when the market reaches this level. So but we were forcing the buy today, but it didn't respect that. So this is one of the days where you have to know that risk management is one of the best solution for you to be able to make money in the market. So guys, make sure you go to our YouTube channel, subscribe, follow us on Facebook, follow us everywhere, and the number that you see on this video, inbox it if you want to join our investment plan. If you want systems, you can inbox so that you are part of our team. So guys, we back again with gold, guys. I told you that we on our investment plan. So our investments work like this, guys. You fund your account with the money that you want us to trade, then you pay the same amount to us, then we grow your account. We trade in your account. You don't invest in our account. You fund your account, we trade in your account. So I will post the investment plans that if you are interested to join, you will see which one you want to start with. So, and again guys, make sure that you subscribe. Okay guys, we're back with another amazing systems for PC. Remember, our systems for PC is only 100 rand. So in this 100 rand, we're gonna show you on how to use the system successfully. We're gonna give you the special time to be able to trade with the system and always make money in the market. So that is why we say the system is 100 rand. In that 100 rand, we teach you on which time you must use the system. Remember, you can't take every trade a day, but you have to take a proven trade that will bring you good profit. So this is what we have now, the butterfly strategy. So this indicator is only 100 rand, guys. So make sure that if you're interested, make sure that you get this amazing indicator. So we have this other one again, guys. This is one of the best for swing and swing trading. If you want, you are that person, you want to have sniper entries when you are trading market reversal. So this is one of the systems that can make you profitable no matter what. So with good risk management and good money management, you can excel in every strategy. Remember, every strategy is working. The main important thing is what time are you using that strategy. So if you have the correct time to use certain strategies in the market, that thing can bring you success. So it's the same, as you can see, when the market start turning over, you are there to always capture the good movement. So if you're interested, make sure that you pay that 100 rand, be part of the winning team. Let me show you on how to use these systems successfully. Thank you.